Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PPT template. So if you want to buy this template, you can just ask me and I'll send you the buy link where you can buy this template. So let's start. But first you have to just subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down about if our videos really help you at all. So let's see. What you need is a blank PowerPoint template in which you're gonna make everything from scratch. So I'm gonna show you how to make that. But first, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So finally, let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, and we're gonna insert this one in the corner rectangle. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just duplicate them and give them transparency and make them into 4 rectangles. Yeah, like this. Then we're gonna rotate them like this, one by one. Then we're gonna just merge them like this. Make sure the corners are visible. Let's remove these parts after combining them. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is make these shapes and merge them. After doing that, what you have to do is just change their colors, put them into the middle of the center. We're gonna use this brownish red gradient. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is put this shape in between, which is a star shape. Also make sure that you change its color and duplicate the shape and give it an outline, put it on top. This will make it look like a crown. So yeah, perfect. The next thing you have to do is group all of these shapes and put them like here. Here we go. Then we're gonna put this right here. Let's change the colors. Then what we're gonna do is change their colors. Now let's put it right here. And we're gonna insert this shape. Let's change the background color after duplicating the slide. Now what we're going to do is put them out of the slide like this. Here we go. Let's just put it right here. Then we're gonna put it right here, cover the shapes. This looks perfect. We're gonna cover the main shape in the background. Let's give them the gradient, duplicate them again. One by one we're gonna put this way like this. move it outside this shape, cover all of the left side with it, duplicate them onto the other side as well. There we go. Then we can cover the shape with this. Put this small thing right here. Let's change this color to a dark color. Then what we're going to do is duplicate the slide, move these out of the slide. One by one we're going to move this downwards. So yeah, after giving the morph transition, this is the final result. And if you like this whole PPT template and you want this template, you can buy it from my Patreon, and I'm going to post it right there. And also, if you want any more templates that are for free, I'm gonna send you the link. Just ask in the comments. And also, if you want to order something or want me to customize or make this PPT template, you can also order that in my Patreon, or you can just type in the comments and I'll read the comments as well.